Okay, I'm gonna do a little review, everybody else does, on the mini excavator TPM-16. A lot of people ain't heard of them yet, but they do have their own website. Anyways, there was a 94 Jeep Grand Cherokee that was burnt right there. It loaded, hit on the trailer. There was a PT Cruiser out there where that Jeep is. Hit loaded, hit on a trailer. And we've cut this around the garage here. And there was an old chicken pen there. We tore it down, graded it off. There was a big trash pile here, like a burn pile. It dug a big hole here and put the burn pile in it. And then we've got a kudzu vine problem up there on the hill. They grow on the side of the house. They're hard to keep rid of. But the OTMP is putting a whooping on it. TPM-16 hydraulic thumb. It's got the controls on it. I'm fixing to put gas in it. But I know video don't tell it, but this is a steep ass hill right here. And it cut up this with no problem. Got up here to the kudzu vines. Now we can put a whooping on them, dig this stump out, burn that pile there, dig that stump out. And this here used to be the old well house. They brought city water into us country folk. And here's pretty well the end of the bad kudzu. See how they growed into that tree? Killed that motherfucker out. But I'm gonna go all the way back in there. I've got a ditch here. My neighbor put that, the guy that owns this up on the hill, he put this tile in, and I dug a ditch because it had a small tile on ground that washed out. So I dug a ditch about waist deep. I've got to get my tile in there, get rid of all this. All this is new. I got to finish this back corner and put a roof on it. It's got to be done this year, and I'm going to tear that old building down. It was built by the previous owner. He had a couple horses over in there. But that's it. The little TPM-16 mini excavator does a damn good job. It's a little light in the ass end, and that one does have the weights in the back of it, which is right in the way when you go to change your oil. So I gotta do something with that. But hell yeah, this is steep. TPM Industrial. Forward controls. Let's see. And I've got 27. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. 21.2. 21.2. Well, you can't see it. It's got the weights down in there. Had the oil cooler. All that trash. I took the back door off. A little bit in there, but yeah, the damn thing does pretty good, I think, for the kind of money I paid for it anyway. It had 0.01 hours on it, so yeah, I'm glad to get rid of the kazoo mine. So if you're looking at the TPM-16, my suggestion, it's like all the rest of them. They come with the hydraulic thumb, and these ones do come with the blocks, and that's like what, $279. Got the extra block. You can run the thumb and say an auger, whatever. But yeah, the little bitch does good. 13.5 horsepower TPM-16 crawler excavator. It's 2,200 pounds, supposed to be 1.5 tons. You know how that goes. 2024-12, so December 2024. TPM with a serial number. Made in China. Where in the hell's China? Oh, that's right. But anyway, TPM has a website you can check out. Damn good machine, I think, for that kind of money. See y'all.